Brock Lesnar now with that tractor. Where the hell is he going? Oh, gee. Corey, get the hell out of there! Brock Lesnar just moved the entire ring with a tractor.
I'm in Kid Rock's lap right now. God almighty, what the hell is Lesnar doing?
Anything he wants. Lesnar's lifted up the ring with Roman Reigns in it with a damn tractor. Reigns falls out of the entire ring.
This is one of the damnedest things I've ever seen in my